everybody. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. So first of all, I'm fixing to read my verse. It's Psalms 110, and it says, "The Lord says to my Lord, sit at my right hand until I make your enemies a footstool for your feet." And all right, this is it. I always love this one. "And the Lord will extend you a mighty scepter from Zion. You will rule the midst of the enemies. Your troop will be winning on the day of the battle. Arise in holy majesty." Okay. "From the womb of the morning of the dawn, you will receive the dew of your youth." So thank you. And this is 110, verse 2, 3, and 4. Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm getting ready to get started. I'm going to be making tuna salad. Yeah, tuna salad. Okay. Now in the tuna salad, I have a little bit of celery. I have a little cut up already, and I have a little bit of just green bell pepper, and I have a little bit of just green onions, and I also have white onions, and I have a little bit of just sweet onions, and I also have the eggs also, and I'll be using the mayo, and I'll be using also, and I'll also be using cream cheese. So now I'm getting ready to mix up my cream cheese into my into the tuna. Okay. All right, so, and this is going to be about 2 tablespoons of mayo. I'm going to first start kind of stirring it up in here, and then I'm going to be putting in the cream cheese. Oh yeah, okay. I have 2 cans of tuna here, because there's not very much tuna in the cans anymore. So I'll be using the 2 cans of tuna. About 1/4 of a 1/4 cup of cream cheese. I'm sorry. I was so busy thinking about what I was doing here. So, okay. Now, I'm going to add my ingredients, which will be, let me get my little black pepper. Okay, let me put, I'm not going to use all of this in here, because some of it has to go into my chicken salad. Okay. All right, that's all. Okay. Now, I'll be using my black pepper. Maybe I should use the white pepper. I do have white pepper, but I didn't put it on the table, so I'm not going to put much of this in here right now. I have my garlic powder. I'm just kind of using the seasoning to my taste. Everybody can season everything to whatever taste that you would like. This is my onion powder, so like I said, everybody to his own. So this is what I'm using right now. So I'm going to kind of stir this up in here just a little bit, and then I'm going to put just a little bit of my the white onions in, which will be just maybe a tablespoon or so. Not very many. I'm going to be putting in just a little bit of my celery. And that probably won't be much either also. Okay. And then I have just a little bit of sweet peppers. Okay. And then to top it all off, I'll be using the other green onions after I get this mixed up. Oh, my green bell peppers, okay. Not very much. Okay, so then I will put it on the platter and get it ready for the serving dishes, okay? Okay, now I'm ready. This as a completion of my tuna plate for the Super Bowl. So I have the tuna on it. I have this is the tuna salad that I've completed. It's coming up, so you can see what I have on it. Thank you so much for looking and viewing. Hope you will enjoy. From Miss Lena's Kitchen, goodbye. With all my love.